In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy an Etsy gift card online. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and head on over to Etsy.com. Now, once you're here on the official side of Etsy, we need to find gift cards. So it'll be on the top of the page near the right hand side. So on mine, it's going to be below the search. Click on the gift cards. Now from here, we're in the gift card section, so give the gift of Etsy. From you can see they've got to choose a gift amount, and we can change currency if we want. So we can do Europe, Great Britain, Canadian. I'm going to keep mine Australian because I'm in Australia. So it's going to be AU 25, 50, 100, 250, or you can do a custom amount. And the custom amount is between anywhere from $250 and $25. And then from there, you got to choose a delivery method. So we can email to recipient or email to you, which is printable. Put the recipient's name. If you do email, recipient's email, and do a gift message, sorry. And also you can change your design on the left. So we can change it to a blue Etsy, yellow, because it's Christmas time. You can do a Christmas gift card, and then from here click on add to basket or buy now, and then from there you just simply put in your credit card details. So I'll just fill this out. So I want a $50 one, recipient's name, I'm just going to say my name, and I'm going to put my email address and say alright, so put a message in. I'm going to keep that one, and then I'm going to say from, and I'm going to say Bob, and now I'm going to click on buy it now, and then that will take us over to the payment page. Well, it should. Yep, there we go. So choose a payment method, choose card, and then put your name on your card and fill it out as you normally would. Then click on continue to billing to review your purchase, and then complete your purchase at the same time.